Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Additionally, is it legal to drive with plastic on window? As long as the plastic is not interfering with the safe operation of the vehicle, in other words, not obstructing the driver's required view, such as a rear window, rear seat side windows, it would have no issue with being legal.
Take our lead.
How much does rear window replacement cost? The average cost of a rear window replacement is $325. Rear window replacement costs ranged from $200 to $450 in the U.S. for 2019 according to RepairPal. Estimates do not include labor costs, taxes and fees.
Let's help you make your mark.
Our film will not rip or tear during application, and small bumps in the road will not cause the film to break. With our durable film, you can drive or tow with the confidence that your vehicle is protected and that the seal created by our collision wrap is very strong and weather resistant.
Let's help you make your mark.
Fresno, California. The California Vehicle Code says yes, you can have stuff in the back of your car box if it blocks your rear view mirror, said Sergeant Brian Pennings with the California Highway Patrol. As long as you have two outside mirrors, one on the left and one on the right.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.